Hello everyone, this is Moyon. This lesson number 1 is for low level beginners. So if you are a low level beginner or if you are interested, please continue to listen it. Today we are gonna learn about vowels and consonants. So let's get started. There are 26 alphabets in English language, and out of these 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and Y is a special vowel, and the rest of the letters like B, C, D, F, and etc. are called consonants. So let's look at examples. Egg. Here is the word egg, E-double-G. Here E is a vowel. Another word, apple. A here is a vowel. Top. O is a vowel. Ice cream. I is a vowel. Umbrella. U is a vowel. Here's another word. Have a look. Y. W-H-Y. Here Y sounds like a vowel. So this will be called vowel. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes sounds like a consonant. So yes and U will be called a consonant. So here, this is the end of today's lesson. If you like this lesson, so please like, share and subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.